The air conditioning system in your Toyota is an essential system you rely on to maintain your cabin comfort, however hot it may be outside. During the normal process of refrigeration, dirt, residue, and unwanted contaminants can build up in the AC's airflow system over time. For best results, AC units should be periodically cleaned with a refresher service. The best time is whenever the cabin air filter is replaced. The Toyota Air Conditioning Refresher Service, performed by a trained Toyota technician, employs a two-part service kit to remove that unwanted buildup and odors, giving you a cleaner, fresher-smelling cabin environment. Toyota AC Power Foam is a heavy-duty detergent cleaner that is injected into the system through the AC drain tube. The foam absorbs dirt and other residue, then breaks down into a liquid and drains out the drain tube, removing contaminants. The second component, Toyota Condition Air, is then applied to clean and refresh the air ducts in the system, eliminating unwanted odors. Details make the difference. Thanks for taking an inside look at your Toyota.